Dear tutor and colleagues, I am pleased to present this project you, dear classmates, because I know that they will be the multipliers of this project that aims to recycle water home to help care for and preserve the planet. The name of my project is Household and Recycled Water at Home. For this presentation, to be clear and precise, I will present you with three diagrams in me, which help you to understand the whole project in didactic. Why this project? I have planned to elaborate this project that has as general objective to save and recycle water at home, taking into account that there are many projects of paper recycling in Colombian house, while the current the consumption and use of the water is not very frequently because needs a little more time, money, materials, work and elements you need to do a good water recycling project. Introduction. We have that to develop this project, I must choose a route that allows me to recycle all the strategies of water and solvents that come out in my house. First of all, I want to start saving the water that goes to the shower and then structuring a schedule daily savings where we you can save not only the water but also the resource in my house. The saving can go to the others needs family. In this way, I will be contribution to the protection and care of the environment as this as a component of all. Also, in the addition to the benefiting my family while water saving, I want a component of my family take care of environmental protection, also in skill or culture of saving water in my house. In the diagram number 2, we can project structure. This diagram contains information, search and selection on information, test options, evaluation of the results and conclusion. Information search. First, why the idea? I will seek all the information necessary to develop this project by consulting recycling manuals, recycling routes, and recycling magazines, newspaper, and websites. Selection of information. Collecting all the information as possible, I will begin to classify the information that is most appropriate for the purpose of my project and why in the timely information on solving and recycling of water. Choose viable options. The viable options are given to the extent that the project is carried out, so that if we have information on how to sell materials, water in-house in low-income neighborhoods or middle-class neighborhoods and high sectors. We will have to analyze why these sectors consume more water. Uh, the test options are very important in the development of this project because it leads you to improve the condition of the proposal. Since these are useful and practical, so you should systematically collect and analyze all the relevant information to determine the value and the merit of what you will do. It also helps advance the planning and the development work required for the project. Evaluation of the results. It is important to note that it requires an assessment of their risks and their benefits, so their costs and their results because of the degree of success of failure of the project is obtained. They are also used to determine their economic viability. The projects are evaluated according to their classification. Invest projects and social investment projects. In my case, the project that I am developing is a social investment project. Since the saving of the expenses and the conservation of the water is a project that benefits our society and contributes to the core and the environment protection to ensure the survival of the human race. Writing conclusions. The conclusions are indispensable for the development of the project because they help to synthesize the structure of the project. Finally, we have what the diagram contains the project consolidation. The consolidation of the project focused on the technical approaches set out in the general objectives. Specifically in this project, we were reduce water costs for cubic meter, reduce economic costs in the money cash, reduce the water that comes out in the sink and the washing machine for use in the garden, save water in the bathrooms and the kitchen. Install faucets while outlet reduce in all water dispenser in the house. Thank you all for your attention.